Hello everyone, my name is Adrian. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Sri Lanka and I'm currently living in Dubai. Okay, so
Hi everyone, my name is Sanvi Chararia. I am a young coder.
Hello everybody, I'm Yashid Dash of class 4 and I'm 9.5 years old. I am in the third level of AI for Kids course of Clever.
Hello, so today I'm going to say my experience on Clever. First, my mother will say what her experience is about me in Clever.
My son loves to code and looks forward to his classes nowadays. To be very honest, he was never a very bookish kind of boy who spends a lot of time studying. But when it comes to coding, he loves to keep practicing. He says that project-based learning helps him understand better. His interest is growing up day by day and he is creating interesting projects as well.
Of Clever.
Namaskar, I am Yashid's father. You know, the next industrial revolution is going to take place through artificial intelligence or AI. That's why I have got Yashid admitted in AI for Kids course of Clever.
Do you know what I am doing? I am playing a game, Catch Me If You Can, which I made myself on Scratch. Do you know where I learned all these coding techniques from? I learned them from Clever, and they taught me lots of tips and tricks to code cleverly and creatively. Every lesson I learned something new and challenging.
So now about the coding and Clever coding. So there are many levels, but for me, I've went all the way to level 2 Python. So level 1 was just machine learning and coding in Scratch and other stuff like that. We learned how to make different blocks and responding to different, like when the sprite is feeling, and it would like send indicators like different colors for the different colors and switching costumes. It was a pretty fun level, and now I've gone so far ahead, and now I'm in level 2 Python. Let's just say Python is pretty complicated, but in the end it's pretty fun and it's a nice challenge.
I enjoy the classes very much. I am now learning how to develop apps. I love this course.
Thank you, Clever.
Thank you.
And I have completed my level 3 of my coding with Clever. The classes are very interesting and engaging. I know how the mentors explain the concepts so easily and help us understand how to use coding. The main thing is that I am now able to think more logically and use my coding skills to develop problem-solving apps. Thank you. I have made more than 10 to 12 projects, so these are the projects that I have made. So I would like to show you some of my best projects that I have made in code.org. So let's get started now. So first is the Spotify app. It's just loading over here. And then this project is like a music app, and if you press run and then start the project, just press the start button and you will be gone to a index page over here like this, with the images and the labels and the buttons. And I have given 4 languages over here, like English, Malayalam, Telugu and Tamil. So if you press English and just press the start button, it will just start your song. And then if you press this,
never say never.
and if you press the stop button, it will stop. Then if you press the next button, it will redirect you to the main page, like the index page here. And then I would like to show you the Google search engine. Just loading over here. Yeah, it came. So it's like you can add many like variables over here, like what you want to search in this project, like that. And I have given like movies and then flight tickets and movie tickets. So for example, if I type movie tickets, yeah, it will redirect me to a next page if you press Google search. And then they will ask you like they'll ask you the permission to move on to another like a website.